again.
Okay, I got my cotton candy right now, and I will try this right now. So I'm gonna. Oh, thanks. Oh, you gotta open. There we go. Gotta poke it in. Oh, that looks so soft. Now look at it. I never tried cotton candy. Oopsies. Oh my.
冇得揀啦！我 friend 做社工嘅，啱啱又係啱讀完嘅，佢都話佢而家係
That melts in my mouth.
因為而家好做啲係就做主。
Oh, I taste it. I taste it so.
始終係努力。真係我 friend。
So sour.
話對於智障人士咧，你係冇乜嘢做㗎咋，你都係照顧下佢哋，冇乜嘢做嘅。佢哋好自立嘅，你都係。因為佢哋都係自己處理自己嘅嘢。
嗰啲有。
我諗住睇下先，因為我而家唔係想做劇本，即係寫。
Am I supposed? Am I supposed to eat that?
諗住係睇下先，睇下點。
There's nothing in here
書
now.
未讀，摸索下先。係咯，我係想揾啲比較輕鬆少少嘅。我 friend 都話，如果你有咩唔明咧，問佢，因為佢讀完。
Oh, that melts in my
而
mouth.
家仲未揾到工嗰個。
That melts in my mouth.
咁幾大？我 friend 應該有吧。
Now look at that. That's what I bit. It's so pink.
3年啦，3年之前3年。
咁你齋年喎。
我讀完呢年都畢業啦，大學啦。
齋年㗎啦。
跟住唔係如果。
Yummy but so sour.
而家我可以叫我 friend 教嘅，跟住我係同我 friend 講過嘅，跟住我 friend 話咁得，如果你講到而家唔係有錢嗰啲搞活動，佢而家都係搞活動，不過佢搞呢個搞活動，佢而家係幫工咯，佢而家搞活動，因為搞活動通常佢嘅心理其實係重溫同埋即係重溫，即係偏向重溫同埋訓練但係小朋友有啲係知啊。
It's so yummy.
發展條路冇覺得好似整隻嚟真係。
知唔知聽下你？
Later, I'll put some water in here in the next video. Okay?
好難㗎，有時社工睇睇先，好難。
Kami so so sour.
冇埋科技要變工，變得越多緊要，要喺神嗰度。